All right, y'all, long time no see. Okay, I'm here to do an updated video of how I make my money bouquets. It's pretty much the same way, but I see a lot of people who are having issues with folding their bills, overcrowding the bouquet, maybe not putting the bills close enough together. And today we're gonna fix that. And shout out to all my new people. If this is your first video, I love y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want me to start posting. Don't worry about my hair. The key of this video is for you to learn how to make that money bouquet so you can make extra funds. Okay, so first things first, materials. This is what we're using. You need your tape dispenser. Okay, I don't know what paper I'm using, but let's figure it out. These are our sticks. I have some that's already open, but I think I got these from Walmart. These are 100 pack of, the size on here, friend, is the size is not on here. They regular size skewers. They are regular size skewers. Focus. They are regular size skewers. That's what we're using. I have some that's open already, so we're gonna use those. So we're doing a 50 bid bouquet, and that's what we're gonna do with our tape, our skewers, and our money. Okay, so we've counted out all our money. So since we're doing a 50 bid bouquet, it doesn't take long to fold the ones. Because it is the 50 bid bouquets are the easiest ones to do. So if you doing it, or you limit it to what you can do, them $100 bouquets, they be clearing your girl out. So we're gonna fold our bills and let's get it together. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so now all of our bills are wrapped, folded, whatever you want to. Now we're gonna take our phone and we're gonna start placing. And let me show y'all how I actually place. So if I'm not doing flowers in the middle, I do 5 bills to create like my starter lead off part. Okay, so let's do it. Yeah, 1, 2, 4, 5. And so you basically just put them together. So if you did have flowers, I always start with 5 flowers, just like I'm gonna start with 5 ones, just to create my base, to do my starter. Okay, so you're gonna put them like this, but they will act right to where it makes a flower. Let's see. So you're gonna use 5 bills for your base. And let me make sure that I'm OCD when it comes to making these. So if it ain't the right shape for the bill, I kick it out and we put another one in so we can have the perfect flower. Okay, and so what I do is get my tape and I tape these sticks together. Hopefully y'all understand. Let me know in the comments if y'all don't understand. I can always create another video. If I'm going too fast, I do these on the regular, so I hope I'm not going too fast. But yeah, so you put 5 flowers in the middle to create your base. This is for all my people who are making money bouquets with no flowers in the middle. This is your starting point, okay? And then so I add tape here, and then I'm gonna add tape here, because when you get ready to stick it in the foam, you don't want it to spread. So just add a little tape to your bottom. And then you have this, okay? Now we're gonna take our foam. This is a 7x8 foam. This is the standard size foam that you will use. I will also put it somewhere up here so you'll know what size to use. You're gonna stick this directly in the middle of your post. Wherever the middle is for you, you're going to stick it, okay? Let me see if I can tilt the camera down. So here, it'll probably be middle, like somewhere off in here. Okay, and I put mine far enough down to where I can do this. If it's slanging and banging everywhere, don't do it. Take it out, okay? Can y'all see me? I'm trying to make sure y'all can see, okay? Your next row. So sometimes I start directly behind another bill and then go in the middle. So today I'm gonna start right behind another bill to get it shape, okay? See, no gaps, no nothing, everything is perfect. This is where the stick is. And you never wanna start them slanted until you get to like the outer layer. Okay, so make sure you put your stick straight up. I see a lot of people's bouquets are gappy and all that type of thing. We want it to be neat, pretty, and perfect with no gaps in between this bill. And if you do, it's okay to tape around the thing. So we're gonna put our next. This one should sit right here. Boom. No problem. Perfect. Not stuffed, not in the mix. It's still at the family reunion, but not all up in people's business, okay? To where it look crazy. Same thing. So like for this one, it's out of place for me. So what I would do is take this one out and scoot it back to where it fits. Perfect. And then we just start our other rows, okay? The sticks look like they're not all the way in there. They're still going straight up. You start curving once you get on your third row. Okay, so this is the final. Okay, you guys, so we are finished. It says congrats on there with the little butterfly on there. We got the bow. I will download the link. Oh, excuse me. I will download the link for you to learn how to wrap so you can do your base, your bow, and yeah, she's done.